In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these physics related questions under the subtopic quality, pitch, intensity, and loudness of sound in sound wave. Alright, this revolves around characteristics of sound waves. So let's get started. The first question here says, which of the following characteristics of sound waves determine how loud a sound is perceived? We have option A, we have wavelength, we have amplitude, velocity, frequency. So the correct option is option B, which is amplitude. Next, the question with this one, it says the pitch of a musical note is determined by the frequency of the sound wave that it produces. If two instruments have the same frequency, which of the following factors will most affect the difference in their pitches? We have the material of the instrument, we have the size of the instrument, the shape of the instrument, we have the tension of the string. Alright, so the correct option to this question will be option D, which is the tension of the string. Alright, next question with this one. It says the characteristics of a vibration that determines its intensity is the we have overtone, we have wavelength, amplitude, frequency. The correct option is option C, which is amplitude. Next question is this one. It says what is the unit for measuring the amplitude of a sound? So it is a simple question, that decibel, option B. Alright, the next question will be this one. It says on which of these does the intensity of sound depend? So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have overtone, we have harmonics. So guys, the intensity of sound depends on amplitude. Option A is correct. Alright, next question with this one. Now guys, before we attempt this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. We really appreciate this. The question says musical instruments playing the same note can be distinguished from one another owing to the difference in the we have loudness, intensity, quality, pitch. So the correct option in this question is option C, which is quality. Next question will be this one. It says the quality of a musical note depends on what? We have harmonics, loudness, echo, frequency. The correct option is option A, which is harmonics. Next question will be this one. It says the pitch of a sound note depends on, we have quality, timbre, frequency, harmonics. So the correct option is option C, which is frequency. Next question is this one. It says the quantity, timbre of sound depends on, we have frequency, we have harmonics, velocity, amplitude. The correct option this question is option B, which is harmonics. Next question will be this one. It says the quality of a musical note depends on what? We have loudness, we have frequency, we have echo, we have harmonics. So the correct option to this question is the quality of a musical note depends basically on the harmonics. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next video question will be this one. It says which of the following characteristics of sound waves depends on frequency of the sound? So we have loudness, intensity, pitch, quality. The correct option is option C, which is pitch. Okay, so this basically can deal with problems involving the quality, pitch, intensity, and loudness of sound. Yeah, this is hopefully something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, I don't know what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you are part of our membership by clicking on the join button where you'll be receiving special information that will help to simplify academic problem. Alright, so join us now if you did. Having known that, click on the screen above and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.